Hi there, friends. It's your old pal, Conductor Jack, and I'm here with my friend Peppa Pig. We're about to read a very exciting story that Peppa Pig wrote. It's called Peppa Pig and the Wedding Day. Look at that. So romantic. Well, let's open this story and go on a reading adventure together. Have you ever been to a wedding in real life before? Well, they're a lot of fun. Someday you will. And I bet you someday you're going to even get married. I know that sounds crazy, but it'll happen. All right, here we go. Let's read it together. Here we go. Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow are visiting Peppa and her family. They have some very exciting news. We're getting married, says Mr. Bull. We were hoping that Peppa might be the bridesmaid, said Mrs. Cow. Yes, please, said Peppa. What's a bridesmaid? The bridesmaid is the bride's special friend for the day, says Mummy Pig. And what does getting married mean? Asks Peppa. It's when there's a big party called a wedding, and two people promise to love each other forever, says Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig is very excited. Tell us about the cake, the dress, and the rings. We haven't gotten those yet, says Mrs. Cow. When is the wedding? Asks Mummy Pig. Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow look at each other. Tomorrow, they both say. Oh dear, says Mummy Pig. We need a wedding planner. I'll call Miss Rabbit. And what about the cake, the dress, and the rings? Exclaims Daddy Pig. We have a lot of work to do. Miss Rabbit arrives and takes charge right away. Mummy Pig, you get started on the baking. Now, who is the bridesmaid? That's me, says Peppa. Very good, says Miss Rabbit. Peppa, you go with Mrs. Cow to the dress shop and help her pick out a dress. It's an important job for a bridesmaid. There are so many dresses at the dress shop. Just pick out your favorite style, says Mrs. Leopard. They look at all the colors. What color do you like, Mrs. Cow? Asks Peppa. I love yellow, says Mrs. Cow. Now we just need to cut the cloth and sew it up, says Mrs. Leopard. Very soon, it's time to try on the dress. Mrs. Cow steps out from the dressing room. You look beautiful, says Peppa. Those are big scissors, Peppa says. They're not for children, but we can cut something together if you'd like, says Mrs. Leopard. Yes, please, says Peppa. They make a few snips to some yellow cloth. We would like to buy some rings, please, says Miss Rabbit. I've got some lovely pineapple rings here, says the jeweler. Not rings for eating, says Daddy Pig. Rings for fingers. This one is perfect, says Mr. Bull. Back at home, Mummy Pig has made 4 different cakes to see which one Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow like best. They have chocolate, fruit cake, banana, and carrot. I can't decide, says Mrs. Cow. You don't have to, says Miss Rabbit. Just stack and add icing. She covers the big cake with a white box. At last, everything is ready for the big day. Mrs. Cow puts on her wedding dress, but something seems different. You're a big cheese, says Peppa. How did that happen? Asks Mummy Pig. I think it was the cutting in the dress shop, says Peppa. It's perfect. I love cheese. This is the best wedding dress I could ever ask for, says Mrs. Cow. Everybody helps set up for the wedding. The rings are ready, says Mr. Bull. Now we just need Mrs. Cow. Everyone looks up as they hear the sound of Miss Rabbit's helicopter. "What a beautiful bride," says Mandy Mouse. Madame Gazelle stands with Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow. "Do you promise to love each other forever?" "I do," says Mr. Bull. "I do," says Mrs. Cow. "Well, it's time to exchange the rings. These rings show your promise to love and care for each other. Now you are married," says Madame Gazelle. "You may kiss." "Who wants a piece of this beautiful wedding cake?" asks Miss Rabbit. "It's very smushed," says Peppa. "I think George sat on it." "It's the most beautiful cake I have ever seen," says Mr. Bull. "I love it." "And I love you, Mrs. Cow," says Mr. Bull. "I love you too, Mr. Bull," says Mrs. Cow. "Hooray! Happy wedding," says Peppa. Oh, what a great story. It's so nice that they found love, Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow. It's so much fun going to a wedding and celebrating a couple's love. I know someday you're going to meet someone. I know this sounds crazy, but someday you're going to be somewhere and not thinking about it, and you're going to see someone, and you're going to know that's the person for you. And you'll fall in love, and they'll love you back, and you'll get married, and you'll live happily ever after. See, I'm married. I married my high school sweetheart. We met when we were 14. Her name is Kitty, and we became best friends, and then we fell in love, and then we got married, just like Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow. And we're still married so many years later. Anyhow, I want to thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you have a great rest of the day. My name is Conductor Jack. Every single day of the week, my wife and I post these videos. I read the stories, she edits them and puts them up on YouTube so you can watch. If you want to be our friend, that'd be great. Hit the subscribe button, and we will put out a brand new video every single day. I'll see you again real soon. Bye. Subscribe now. It's free.